Hello everyone, welcome to Digibur channel. This is another iPhone unlocking tutorial here. If you're watching this video, it's probable you're currently experiencing iPhone unavailable on your iPhone which is running iOS 15.2 or later. If you see iPhone unavailable on the screen, it means that you've tried to enter the wrong passcode too many times and your iPhone locked you out to protect your data security. If you entered the wrong passcode 7 times in a row, you'll be locked out for at least 5 minutes. The more times you enter the wrong passcode, the longer time you need to wait for the next attempt. Don't worry, you won't be stuck on the locked iPhone forever. Keep watching the video. I'm gonna introduce 3 ways to unlock your unavailable iPhone. Method 1: Unlock iPhone with Erase iPhone. Keep entering the wrong passcode until try again in 15 minutes or until the Erase iPhone option appears. Now, when it reaches to 15 minutes, you'll see an Erase iPhone option on the right bottom corner. Simply tap on it, then tap Erase again to confirm. Enter the Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID on your device. Wait for a short while here. Now as you can see that the iPhone is getting erased. You need to wait for a while. When the progress bar reaches to the end, it will refresh again and flash the Apple logo. When you see the hello screen, you can set up your phone now. If you have a backup data for your iPhone, you can follow the on-screen setup steps until you reach the apps and data screen. Then you can get your data back by selecting Restore from iCloud Backup option. Method 2: Unlock iPhone with iPhone Unlocker. If the Erase iPhone option doesn't help you, go to the web browser, enter www.appchecker.com, then you will jump to the homepage. Find iPhone Unlocker to download. This software can be downloaded on your computer and unlock your iPhone bypass passcode in just a few minutes. Run iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Now you can see there are 3 parts on the interface. Click on Wipe Passcode. Then click Start button. Follow the instruction on the interface. What I'm going to do is connect my phone to the computer. Look, I've connected my phone to the computer, but there's still no any changes on the interface and it still shows iPhone unavailable on the screen. Now you need to place your phone into recovery mode so that the computer can detect your device. The operation varies from model to model. Now we get a step-by-step guide about entering recovery mode. If you have an iPhone 8 or later, let's take iPhone 13 for example. Press and quickly release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button. Release it when the recovery mode screen appears. If you have an iPhone 7, keep holding the volume down button and side button. Don't release the button until you see the recovery mode screen. If you have an iPhone 6 or earlier, keep pressing the home button and power button. When the recovery mode screen appears, let go of the button. Okay, let's get back to the interface. It shows you that your iPhone has connected to the computer successfully, then jump to the next page. Here you need to select the corresponding information for your phone. After that, you will get into the next page. iPhone Unlocker is downloading the newest iOS software for your phone. It may take a few minutes. Once it's done, it will jump out of a precaution window. Read the warning part. Enter 0000, then click Unlock button. Now it starts to unlock your phone. This progress usually takes about 10 minutes. Well done, the screen lock has been removed. Let's go ahead with the setup. Choose your language. Set up your region. Connect to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Set up your Face ID. Set a new passcode. Here I suggest you set a passcode easy to remember or set up a Face ID at the last step. If you have a backup on your iCloud or computer, you can select Restore from iCloud Backup or from Mac or PC. If you have another iPhone, you can transfer your data directly from another iPhone. It's very convenient. Tap Transfer from another iPhone directly. Look, here's an old iPhone XR in my hand. When I put it close to the new iPhone, it will pop up a setup new iPhone window like this. Tap on continue button. Now it is connecting to my new iPhone. Once it connected, enter the authentication code on my old iPhone. Then enter its key and passcode on my new device. Now it will start to set the new iPhone, and it may take a few minutes to activate it. Keep the old iPhone alongside all the time, then you'll get a transfer your data screen like this. Tap transfer from iPhone. And it'll start to set up your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and password, tap continue. Now it's starting to transfer data from your old iPhone. The more data you need to transfer, the more time you need to wait for. Once it finished transferring, your new iPhone will restart again. And the data on your old iPhone has been transferred to the new one. Now, you can use your phone as usual. Method 3. Unlock iPhone with iPhone iTunes. If you have a computer and a USB cable nearby, you also can use iTunes to bypass the iPhone passcode. Before you do this, make sure the newest version of iTunes is installed on your PC so that it can factory reset your device. You can check the current version by clicking Help button on the top left corner, then click Check for Update in the drop-down menu. Okay, let's go on. Now you need to connect your Unavailable device to your computer with an USB cable. As you can see, iTunes cannot recognize your iPhone for its Unavailable feature. Now you need to put it into recovery mode. You can check the operation while using iPhone Unlocker. Once connected to iTunes, you can restore the device now. Click Restore button when the window comes out. Click Restore and Update. Let's move on. Head to the top right corner, check the download icon button. You can see the newest iOS software is downloading for your device. Once downloaded, head over to top of the program. You can see iTunes will extract the software from your iPhone and reinstall the latest software. At the meantime, you can see your iPhone turns off automatically and starts loading. This process may take some time. It will erase all content and settings of your device. If you have backup your data in iCloud or PC ahead of time, you can restore them. When you reach to Apps and Data screen, go to Set up your device. That's all for today's video. If you have any question about fixing unavailable iPhone, you can leave us a comment in the comment section. Hope this video can help you solve your problem. If it does, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. See you next time. Peace out.